Most people get this wrong. They think a virtual business address is just a fancy PO box, but the surprising truth is that PostScan Mail offers a full suite of digital mail management tools that can save time and improve professionalism for small businesses and remote workers. Today, I'll share my experience using PostScan Mail. PostScan Mail provides a real street address where your mail and packages are received. Once received, they scan the envelopes and notify you digitally. You can then decide whether to open, forward, shred, or store each item. You won't believe what happens next. This means you can manage your business mail from anywhere, eliminating the need to physically check a mailbox. The sign-up process is straightforward. You choose a plan based on the volume of mail you expect. Plans start small for personal use and scale up for businesses that receive frequent packages. Once registered, you can start using your new address immediately, which looks much more professional than a PO box when registering your business or signing up for services. In my experience, the interface is clean and intuitive. The web dashboard allows you to track received mail, view scanned images, and manage your account efficiently. One of my favorite features is mail forwarding. You can have important documents sent anywhere in the world within a few clicks. There are some limitations. High-volume users might find the per item fees add up, and international forwarding can take longer and incur additional costs. However, for most small businesses or digital nomads, PostScan Mail is a huge time saver. In conclusion, PostScan Mail is ideal for anyone who wants a professional mailing address without being tied to a physical location. It's convenient, secure, and flexible, making it easier to manage mail remotely. Subscribe for more honest reviews of digital tools and services to help streamline your business.